In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar for your family. This guide will walk you step by step through the process of setting up a shared calendar, perfect for keeping your household organized and on the same page. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate over to Google Calendar, open your web browser and type in Google Calendar, and you'll find it as one of the top search results. Once you're there, you're going to click on Sign In if you haven't already logged into your account. Simply enter your Google account details and you'll be directed to your calendar dashboard. Next, we're going to create a new family calendar. On the left-hand side of the Google Calendar interface, look for the section titled Other Calendars. This is where you'll begin the process. You'll see a small plus icon next to Other Calendars. Click it, and from the drop-down that appears, select Create New Calendar. Now let's name your new calendar. You might want to choose something straightforward like Family Calendar to make it instantly recognizable. There's also an option to add a description. Feel free to put in any specific details about what you intend this calendar to be used for, like family birthdays, outings, or shared tasks. Once you're satisfied with the name and description, go ahead and click Create Calendar. Google will take a moment to set this up for you. Once it's done, you'll have a new calendar specifically for family use. But the setup doesn't stop here. We need to make sure your family has access to it. To share this calendar, go back to the left menu and find your new calendar under My Calendars. Click on it and select Settings and Sharing. In the options you see next, find the section titled Share with Specific People. Here, you'll have the opportunity to add your family members. Enter their email addresses, allowing you to send them an invitation to this shared calendar. One important point here, check the permission settings. If you want your family members to be able to view only your availability, select See Only Free Busy. If you prefer to give them the capability to add or edit events, choose Make Changes to Events. Once these are set, click Send to notify your family. With the calendar shared, it's time to add some events. Go back to the main calendar view and click the plus Create button to add a new event. Choose Event and you'll be guided through naming the event and selecting the time, date, and location. Make sure to choose Family Calendar in the drop-down to place it under the correct schedule. Once all details are filled out, just hit Save, and your event is officially added for all family members to see. Now everyone can stay informed about upcoming plans or important dates. And there you have it, a comprehensive setup for using Google Calendar to organize your family life efficiently.